Another live video lectures of Python learning in an easy way in English lecture. Syed Safdar and Shah is here. I hope you are following our previous lectures and you have understood all the concepts which we have delivered previously. Today we are going to start with Python string of modifying string, concatenate string, and format strings. We will try to cover all these topics, and we are following W3Schools.com tutorial. It is a very easy tutorial, and if you are following it, it is really, very important for you, and it will be great for you to learn basic Python, and you will get into it, and you can, if you grasp these concepts, you can also go for an artificial intelligence website development and do a high level programming language as well. So let's start with Python modify strings for today. We are going to start it. Python has a set of built-in methods that you can use on strings. Okay, so there are many, built-in methods which are specific to certain languages, like in similar goes for Python. So let's start with first method is the uppercase. Example, the upper, then parenthesis, it shows that it is a method, returns the strings in uppercase. Here it is, example, you can see it, A is equal to hello world, print A dot upper. All the words within this strings will be converted into uppercase letters. Let's see it in an editor. It's a very easy to, you know, syntax of Python. That's why uh, it's very easy and to learn and grasp the concepts. So here it is equal to hello world on an editor here, print A dot upper, it will convert all the letters, that are in small letters will be converted into uppercase letter. You can see in black window below. Then comes the lower case. Here it is. This is a function. The lower method returns the string in lower cases. Okay. A is equal to variable which has been assigned string, a hello world. Now, when we go into print function and give parameter as a dot lower parenthesis mean it is it will convert all the hello world, variables, which is a string hello world will be converted into, uh, into lower cases. We can try it out. Let's see. Here it is on an editor of W3School.com. We can see here and below that below is our output print function, and then a dot lower will convert that hello dot world. Okay, this is a correct format, and you can see here, and I hope you have got this concept, just like we have told you in previous method was for uppercase. Now this is for lowercase. Okay, then let's move forward. Remove white space. White space is the space before and or after the actual text, and very often you want to remove this space. Okay, now there is a situation when we want to remove any spaces before or after the string or word. So we can use the strip function. Here the example is shown here. The strip method removes any white spaces from the beginning or the end. White spaces are spaces or types something you are already familiar with it. Here it is when we are going to run this program, and it will strip all the spaces before and after the text. Here it is. Returns hello world. We are going to run this program in editor on an editor W3 School of W3School.com. Here it is equal to hello world, print a dot strips hello world. You can see that there's no space before or after the uh, this string, but within that, after hello comma, after comma, the space remains. It doesn't remove within the string any space, but before hello or after the word, exclamation marks, it will remove all the spaces. Yes. Next is replace string. Okay. The replace string method replaces string with another string. Here it is. Now, if we want to, replace some, character in a string, complete, same string or word in any string, then it's a method a dot replace. It means a has been assigned, string hello world. Now we want to replace h with j here. It means instead of printing hello world, it will print jello world because h will be replaced with j. Simple syntax. Here we are going to print it. Yes, here it is. Now H will be replaced with J. Now the output will be jello world, not the hello world. Similarly, if we want to print your H he with J Z something that will be replaced, but it's very mandatory that uh, the string or word we are replacing, word or character replacing, it must match in the string. Otherwise, it will not happen and it may throw an error or skip it. Next method is split string. The split string method returns a list where the text between the specified separator becomes the list item. Okay, there are a separator like comma, colon, and something else. If we put it into this method, after that it will consider you know another list because will become sub part of it. Here it is. The separate method separates the string into substrings if it finds the instance of separators. A is equal to hello world. Now a dot separate comma. Whenever it finds comma, after that the string will be another list. Other string. It will consider another string. Returns hello world. Let's see it. What is its result? And you will get it. Here it is. You can see that hello is another string and world is another string. It means one string, main string of hello world has been converted into substrings. One is hello and other is world, and it has become a list. It has in the inverted commas, inverted square brackets. Two brackets are there. So it has been converted into substrings. One is hello and another is world. I hope you got it. Learn more about list in your Python list chapter. We will go deep into this concept of list further in future. So string method, learn more about string method. We can also learn. We will also learn about methods uh, in the in the future lectures as well. Now we have completed our this topic. We are in exercise part. At the end of the every topic, every page of this tutorial, there is a exercise. Uh, so we are going to attempt it. What is correct syntax to print a string in uppercase letter? Of course, upper is the function which will convert welcome into some uppercase. All the letters will be in uppercase. That's correct answer. We move forward to see next questions. What is it? Here it is. Return the string without any white spaces at the beginning or the at the end. So here it is. It is strip method. We can write the split method, text dot split, and it will redo it. So here it is. Text dot split will remove, as we have already seen that, will remove spaces before the string and after the string, not in between. Next question. Here it is. Convert the value of text to uppercase letter. So what is it? Text dot upper text is a variable which has been assigned string hello world. We will write it here into upper. Uppercase. Upper is a function which will convert it into uppercase letter. Okay, now because it is text, that's why here it is. We will see it. It's a correct answer, dear students. That's great. Now we move forward for further, modifier. Convert the value of text to lowercase. Similarly, text uh, txt is the variable, dot. We will print lower. Here it is. Through lower function, uh, all the string and text variable hello world will be converted into lower cases. Here it is. That's great. We move forward for next question. Here it is. Replace the uh, character H with J. It's very easy. We're going to replace it with replace function. We will give a string, it's a mandatory that H character with J. H, we can write a single quote or double quote, which is considered a string, here it is with J. So we can print it. That's great. Congratulations, you have completed this exercise as well. And I hope you got the concept. And that's what we want, that you must clear all the concepts from W3 School tutorials. Now we move forward for next topic. What is next topic is a concatenate string. Okay, how to merge or concatenate two strings. It's a very mandatory concept in Python programming. String concatenation, to concatenate or combine two strings, you can use the plus operator. Okay, there is a plus operator. We can, combine or concatenate two strings uh, very easily through plus sign. Here it is. Example is here. Merge variable A with variable B into variable C. Okay, A is a variable which has been assigned value, hello, and B is a variable which has been assigned value world. Now C is another variable. A plus B, it will contain A hello world. Let's see when we print about C. Now C has got hello world string. Now we want to print it, and we can look into it here. Hello world. Now hello world have been merged together. If we want that after hello there must be a space, we can give space here and now run it, and then we will get hello world, hello, then space, and then word. It's standard format to write to word. Yes, it is. Okay, I hope you got it. Now we move forward. Here it example to add a space between them, add a comma between them. Oh, sorry, double quotation, and then you can also add space. Now we have also already added a space after hello in a string of A, but you can also do it in a C A plus, then double quoted space plus B, and it will add a hello word and will produce the same result which we tried earlier. Here it is hello world, because A will be printed as a hello, and then there will be space because double quoted quote is here. It is adding space. Here it is adding. There we have the blue cursor is here. So, and similarly P. I hope you got it. What is correct syntax to merge variable x and y into variable y? Now we move forward to this very short, topic of concatenation. Now we have completed this topic and we are at exercise and at the end. So what is correct syntax to merge variable x and y into variable z? Here it is z is equal to x plus y. We can merge it or concatenate or combine it. There are different, you know, names for it. When we submit it, it will be uh, correct answer. Yes, great. Next, we will attempt another answer. Let's see what is it. What is the next question? Here it is. What will be the result of the following code? X is equal to welcome, Y is equal to coder welcome coder, because there will be no space because we haven't given any space into it. So it will print welcome coders. Okay. Here it is. Correct answer, dear students. And I hope you got your concepts clear. Here it is. Consider the code A, B, C, join the party, print A plus B. And what's it was print the join the party? A plus B plus C. Okay. Both A plus B, but here if we write it, it will be great because it will create space as well. That's great. So we have completed our uh, topic here. W3Schools.com is concatenation topic. Now we move forward for further, topic is a format string. How to format any string is a very important topic. As we learned in Python variables chapter, we cannot combine strings and number like this. Okay, we have seen that we cannot combine merge through plus operator any string or and then integer together. But if we cast it into something converted into string, then integer it will be written as integer, but its class will be of in string data type. Then we can join through plus. Otherwise, there will be uh, you know uh, some merging with comma. But another format is to how before merge before we, if we want to merge it, we will have to try through format function. Here it is. We can see it. Age is 36. This will produce an error. Text is my name is John. I am plus 36 because uh, uh, my name is Jane. I am it's a string, but after that plus age is integer. So we cannot merge or combine or concatenate one string with the integer data type. We will have to first format it in some different way. That's the main point of this. Here it is. You can see it. Type must be a string, not int. This is a syntax error. We can remove it through format, and how it is done you can see it. But we can combine strings and numbers by strings are the format method. Remember, format is for earlier version of Python, but nowadays it is a F which is used. How it is done, let's study it. Let's read it out, then we will try and edit it. F string was introduced in Python 3.6 and is now the preferred way of formatting string. Okay, and 3.6 and onward nowadays it is F string. To specify a string as an F string, simply put an F in front of if and in front of string literal. Okay, and add curly brackets like as placeholders for variable and other operations. Here it is example. You can see it. Age is equal to 36. Text F now is using as a F string because all the string written within that after F will be considered as string. That then it's very easy. You can merge now integer, and it will take it as a string as well. Here, my name is John. I am, and now is a placeholder. We call it two parentheses. Curly brackets are there. These are called placeholders, and within that you can write anything, right? Age. You can perform operation. We will see and in the next topic, in the next placeholder and modifier topic. Here below you are seeing it. Now we are going to run it. What is its result? No, there's no error because now f f string formatting has been done, and all the things, and then parentheses within parentheses. Now 36 is also being considered as string. That's why it's very easy. And now answer is I am 36. Placeholder and modifiers. A placeholder can contain variables, operations, functions, and modifiers to format the value. Now, what are the placeholder? I have already told you that. Let's see here. The price has been written within curly brackets, and curly brackets are called placeholders. But format is that we must write f before starting any string. F then string, and then one to f1 to perform. We can write any variable like price. We can perform operation. We can add two numbers. We can here we can also write any function or modifier. Modifier means we can change some value of it to format the value. So we are going to see in the program. Here we can see that price is 59, and the price is placeholder at 59. We can write $59 not directly but through f string format and putting price into placeholder. That means in curly brackets, and it will consider it in a correct way and will write $59. That's great. A placeholder can include a modifier to format the value. Okay, we can change any integer type or something, integer value into different, like we see in example below. A modifier is included by adding a colon, followed by a legal formatting tag like dot to f, which means fixed point numbers with two decimal. Okay, it means 59 must be with fixed point or decimal number dot zero zero. And this is called, concept of modification and modifier. So let's try it out in our online editor of w3school.com. Here it is. Now place colon dot to f. It means 59 has been converted into float and has been written in floating format, and 59.00 with the f string method. That's great. I hope you have got this concept clear. Another placeholder can contain Python code like math operation. Yes, okay. Now you can also perform, operation of mathematics, division, etc. Perform a math operation in the placeholder and return the result. We can see a text F. The price is 20 static 59 within placeholder. Now it will perform, multiplication and will give correct results, and then it will be shown to the after printing print of text. Here we can see that it is $1180. We got 20 into 59 is equal to $1180. That's great. Exercise: if x is 9, what is the correct sentence to print the price is $9? Okay, print f the price is x dot dollars. Okay, x dot to f it is correct. That's great. Next lecture we are now doing exercise at the end of this topic. Inside the correction to add a placeholder, you know, uh, for the age parameter. Now, I am, how will you, you will, okay, we see here, show here, this is a correct way of writing. Here it is, I am age of 6. That's great. We hope you got this concept cleared, and similarly, you can attempt other questions, and this is up to you. This you can have assignment for it, and try it yourself. If you have any question or you don't understand any concept of this topic, you may contact us. We will give you, WhatsApp number at bits Bukhari Information Record System, and also email You can give us feedback. So we have reached at the end of this topic, format strings. Today we have studied about modifying string, concatenate strings, and format string. Next, we will start from skip character strings method and string exercise. So if you want to contact us, uh, 0320 And if you are outside of Pakistan, you must include country code +92 R0092, then include this 3205966 You can also email us, which is Bukharibits, BUKHARI BUKHARIBits at gmail.com. So this live lecture is being, you know, presented at Bukhari, Information Technology System, BITS, which is a digital platform. I hope you are uh, getting benefit from these lectures, and we will be back for next lecture, and we will continue onward from escape characters and further.